Ever wished you could just magically use your Apple Wallet balance to snag that must-have item on Amazon? Let's break down how to potentially use your Apple Cash balance for Amazon purchases because, unfortunately, a direct Apple Pay integration with Amazon is still a no-go, so here's the workaround. It involves your Apple Cash card. First, open your Apple Wallet app on your iPhone, locate your Apple Cash card, tap on the card to bring up the card details you might need to verify with Face ID or Touch ID. Once you're in, you'll see your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Copy these details, the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. You'll need them shortly. Now, head over to Amazon and sign into your account. Go to your account, then select payment options, then click on add a card. This is where those card details you copied from Apple Wallet come in handy. Paste your Apple Cash card number, expiration date, and CVV code into the appropriate fields on Amazon's payment form. Make sure all the information is accurate and then save the card. During checkout, select your newly added Apple Cash card as your payment method. As long as you have sufficient funds in your Apple Cash balance, the purchase should go through smoothly. And there you have it. While not a direct integration, this workaround lets you tap into your Apple Cash for your Amazon splurges.